In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on VPN while roaming on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, should go back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select network and internet. And then on the right side, you want to go and select where it says VPN versus allow VPN while roaming. Toggle to the right to enable it till it says it's turned on, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.